Hello guys, welcome to Coding Cafe. My name is Alisher and in this series I'm going to show you how to create a chat system using PHP, AJAX and PDO and mysql. So first open your compiler and run it and then open your browser. I'm using Google Chrome and then type localhost php myadmin. Okay, we will create a database. So we will name our database as chat. Okay, we will name our database as chats and then we will click create. In our chat database we will have two tables. Number one will be chats and the second one will be users. So let's create first our chats table. Okay, and the chats tables will have columns or three. Okay, the first column will be for chat ID. Okay, chat ID, and the second one will be chat user ID, and the third one will be chat text. Okay, the first one will be integer and it will be a length of 11 and it will be an auto incrementing. Okay, and the second one will be also an integer and it will be a length of 11, and the third one will be varchar and it will be a length of I think 140. Okay, so click save. Okay, here is our table, and then we are going to create a second table for users. Okay, and it will be a number of columns is 4. Click go. The first one will be user ID. Okay, the second one will be username and the third one will be user email, and I'm typing just mail for just easiest way, and the third for last one will be user password. The first one will be an integer and it will be a length of 11. Okay, and the third one will be username and it will be a varchar and it will be a length of 50, and the third one will be user mail and it will be a varchar and it will be a length of 50. The last one will be text and it will be no length, and the first one will be an auto incrementing. Okay, so click save. So guys, it is our two tables. Now the first one will have chat and the second one is users. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. This is it for this tutorial and we will meet in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.